Listen to this conversation. What is your name? My name is Muhammad. Where are you from? I'm from Iran. How old are you? I'm 28 years old. What do you do for a living? I'm a car mechanic. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I enjoy playing sports and listening to music. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza and pasta. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What did you do last weekend? Last weekend I hanging out with my friends. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy traveling. I have been to Japan and I hope to visit more countries in the future. What is your favorite subject in a school? My favorite subject in a school is English. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. Can you play any musical instruments? Yes, I can play the guitar. I have been playing it since I was a kid and I enjoy it. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Scent of a Woman. It is a drama film. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It is a self help book and I recommend it. Do you like sports? Yes, I enjoy playing volleyball and watching soccer. It keeps me active and entertained. What is your dream job? My dream job is to be a pilot. I'm passionate about it. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Farsi. Farsi is my mother tongue. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm a night owl. I feel most energized and productive during night. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a one brother. What is your favorite type of music? My favorite type of music is pop. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Now participate in this English conversation and say your part. My name is Mohammed. I'm from Iran. I'm 28 years old. I'm a car mechanic. Yes, I enjoy playing sports and listening to music. My favorite food is pizza and pasta. My favorite color is blue. Last weekend I hanging out with my friends. Yes, I enjoy traveling. I have been to Japan and I hope to visit more countries in the future. My favorite subject in school is English. Yes, I have a cat. My favorite season is summer. Yes, I can play the guitar. I have been playing it since I was a kid and I enjoy it. My favorite movie is The Scent of a Woman. It is a drama film. My favorite book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It is a self help book and I recommend it. Yes, I enjoy playing volleyball and watching soccer. It keeps me active and entertained. My dream job is to be a pilot. I'm passionate about it. Yes, I can speak Farsi. Farsi is my mother tongue. I'm a night owl. I feel most energized and productive during night. Yes, I have a one brother. My favorite type of music is pop. Yes, I enjoy cooking. Now, do opposite. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do for a living? Do you have any hobbies? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite color? What did you do last weekend? Do you like to travel? What is your favorite subject in a school? Do you have any pets? What is your favorite season? Can you play any musical instruments? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite book? Do you like sports? What is your dream job? Can you speak any other languages? Are you a morning person or a night owl? Do you have any siblings? What is your favorite type of music? Do you like to cook?